stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Dead battery. Take her for a little drive. Hasn't been driven in a while since, I don't know if y'all been keeping updated on my Instagram. I do have cancer right now, but I'm going through a bunch of treatment and stuff, so haven't been able to take the Jenny out like at all. Been too weak. And today I feel pretty good, so it's a nice day. Gonna take advantage of it. So as you can see, the Jenny battery was dead. Haven't driven the car in about a month due to me going through some chemo treatment right now. If you have been keeping up with my Instagram and stuff like that, you kind of know. Right now, I just finished my second session of 6 that I have to go through from my cancer. I've been too weak lately to drive the car, so this is the first drive in about a month, or since January really I get to drive the car. But hopefully everything goes well. I'm feeling good today. Got a little bit of energy in me. Alright, let's get to the drive. I do need some gas. Right now I got a bit of an exhaust leak that I'd never fixed from like my last day of work. I was leaving the driveway from work, and it's pretty crazy actually. Like, I got an angle like crazy leaving work, and I wasn't feeling good. I had to go to the hospital that day, so I kind of rushed out, slammed down, bottomed out super hard, caused an exhaust leak like straight from an O2 housing, the downpipe. But I'll get to that eventually, actually very soon. So straight turbo, bro. Love this car. Jenny in its current state right now. I got a bunch of parts that I've been stacking for it lately. Like right now I got a 3.5 LSD on the way for it, so no more open diff one wheel peeling with this. So right now I'm just going to start with the cosmetic mods, from like front to back, work my way across the car. I got the Spec D sequential like streak headlights, which I do want to go back to factory and do clear corners, do a little possible custom job going on, but I'm really into the full chrome on chrome look with the Jennies. It's more my style, I think. Kind of also tired of the Spec Ds, so those will be for sale sometime soon. I got the M&S front grille, paint matched it. I get questions about this lip all the time, and it's the version 2 Evo style lip from Unique Performance, and this one is from Canada. Like, you gotta pay the import fee if you're not from there. All right, the side skirts or extensions are some eBay ones that right now they're kind of falling apart. They'll be bottoming out, slamming down on them too hard. I gotta remount them, also paint match them red, and then do like the little winglet that it has in the back, like a gloss black, or like I think more of a gloss black, and then red all the way through. And I know I'm rocking 2 different colors, kind of trying to see which one I like better, red on white or red with black. Kind of red with white's been sticking with me, so future wheels are going to be white as well. Roof spoiler, got this from, I believe it's called HIC. It's like $100 or whatever. It actually adds a nice little subtle touch to the roof. And then I got my semi-clears that I make, or full clears if you guys need. But right now, rocking semi-clears on my Jenny. I think the red and chrome fits perfect. And then we gotta chop the rear bumper. Alright, now for interior mods. We don't got too much going on in here. I will be upgrading the interior very, very soon. For right now, we got the CPE 3 or the triple gauge pod holder. Then I got my SEG 1 like boost controller gauge slash boost gauge and AFR gauge. That gauge is like a lifesaver if you guys are going bigger turbo or want to push a little bit more power and stuff safely. I suggest leaving like all the safety stuff off until you do get the car tuned and stuff like that, because you don't want to be messing with that. Just leave it as a regular like AFR and boost gauge for now if you're untuned and stuff like that and you got that gauge. I got this Pioneer double DIN radio. We got a D&D shift knob. Along with the D&D shift knob, I have a short throw shifter in here. I don't know what brand it is because it was already in the car when I first bought it, but feels good. I do want to go with the Gen Coupe store like chassis mount shifter. I don't want to go like Cooler Works or the IRP because that's like full race car, and I kind of don't want that right now. I think for what I want, the one from Gen Coupe store would be best bet for me. Also, a mod that I have to put in is my new adjustable clutch rod that I got, because I'm so tired of where this clutch releases, because I'm on a stage 2 comp clutch, and with that it's kind of just, from everyone that I've heard, it's just hit or miss on where your clutch engagement is with this clutch. Like, I do like driving around on it, but sometimes it's like an on-off switch and it just sucks. So, but yeah, the next 2 gauges I'll be getting will be E85. I'll also be getting a oil pressure sensor gauge, because I had sold my old 3 gauge setup to somebody. It was like the glow shift one. Got tired of it, wanted to upgrade, get better gauges and stuff. Alright, so under the hood I got my K&N short ram intake. Got a I got another catch can on the way, and I'll be making a video on that, how to make a dual catch can setup for the car. For my Nishimoto radiator, turbo excess front mount, intercooler, and then I got the HKS blow-off valve. Don't mind the water bottle. That's my overflow right now while I'm waiting on my universal one that I got because I destroyed the factory one by accident. And then I got high flow cat in right now, so I don't have the check engine light on. I got a stage 2 comp clutch. I got what else? Turbo excess downpipe, catless downpipe, and then my front beneath the hood, as you can see walking around. I got the ISR single exit. Honestly, I think the best sounding exhaust for the Jenny, without a doubt. Like, I had quad tips before. It sounded good, but it kind of had a little too much rasp for me. This one just gives like a deeper tone. But pretty sure that's it for the Jenny build right now. I do have other parts that I have at home that I'll get into as well, but for right now, what I got on the car, I don't want to also spoil too much of what I'm going to be putting in either for future videos, but that's a Jenny in its current state. Give you guys a little bit of some sound, some driving, but there's an exhaust leak, so it doesn't sound the best at the moment, but I'm gonna try for you guys. Also, I am working on getting a 2 GoPros, the 360 and then like a Hero 10 and 11 or whatever. Get you some POV videos. Which way should I go? A couple parts to be on the lookout for the next upcoming videos. Gotta install this. We got diff bushings, motor mounts. When the fuel pump comes, I'm gonna have that. Stainless steel brake lines. You already know. Brembo's coming soon. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.